What are you doing, Sophie? Trying to get the tree? Hey, what are you doing? Stubborn little baby. Hey, Sophie. Sophie May, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're not supposed to be messing with the tree. Yeah, I'm still watching you.
What?
Sophie. No. Not for you. Kristoff.
Yes.
Sophie. What are you doing? Sophie. No, no, you leave the tree alone. You leave the tree alone.
We need it. This
Sophie.
also-
Can't get it, can you? The only ornament left down there. What are you doing? What are you doing, pretty? Stop.
Who's sleeping?
Nobody's sleeping. I just don't want you yelling. I almost got it. No, I don't want to play with that. Thank you.
Oh, it's a squirrel.
I'm not helping you get that ornament, Sophie. You get mad. Sophie. Sophie. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, honey. What are you doing? Being bad? Sophie. Hi, baby. Boo. Boo.